Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Yeah, VeChain was trying to break out of the corrective price channel to the upside, so far has failed. And it's the same pattern that we see on many other cryptocurrency charts as well, where we are holding support for an internal wave 4 pullback. There has been a reaction on the 20th of December, which, well, lasted, well, you could say that reaction could still lead to something more bullish. Especially as long as that low from that Friday, the 20th of December, is holding. But it's certainly not impulsive, okay? And that is a problem. We already saw that yesterday, where this move to the upside was simply a three-wave move. Basically, it's all about, do we get one more high, do we get one more low or not in this correction, which started up here. That was early in December. And we have a three-wave move down. That move up here is too large to be part of a C wave to the downside. So if we get another low, then it might be some kind of a WXY structure to the downside. Yeah, just to show you, we could easily say that we have a WXY. Basically, whenever we have a correction that's unfolding, we just need to see, or let's say we just need to be watching for a first five-wave pattern to the upside, impulsive looking rallies like this one was. Actually, it looked a bit impulsive. So I considered the low was in. It could still be in, but then we have to pay attention to what comes after. And this here was a warning, especially the choppy nature of that rally and the deep pullback that we see now. So the five-wave pattern here that I'm showing, it shows what we would need to see for a first confirmation that the fourth wave is bottomed. So we need to see another rally to 6.5 cents minimally, then another higher low and another higher high. That would give us a five-wave move up. I don't technically believe that, so it is possible that this here is maybe a running flat structure, yeah. But still, I'd like to see that five-wave pattern fill out, especially after the local failure, because even though we could rally higher from here, it is still a so-called running flat, in the best case, or expanded flat. Just means that all of this, what we've seen since this swing high that formed on the 21st of December, is part of a local wave 2 correction. And there is a very clear invalidation point. I mean, if this is a 1-2 setup, first of all, I don't trust it, right? Because we're still in the corrective price channel. But the invalidation point is clear. It is the swing low at around 3.85 cents. So we can actually highlight that in red here. So it means that this 3.8 cent level, yeah, or 3.85 cent level is the key pivot between the white count, which allows for one more low and the test of the 3.3 cent level, and the yellow count, in which the low is already formed, but it's too small. I mean, yes, this looks a bit like a five-wave move up, but again, it's too small. So we need to see if the next larger wave degree can form a five-wave pattern, which we could then maybe call wave 1 of the larger fifth wave that we are still tracking, which could take us higher. 3.3 cent remains support. We could even add a local micro support range, but again, we're on a very, very small time frame, so this is not reliable, but I'd prefer you to show you at least, you know, standard fib support. So it's between 4.1 cent and 4.5 cent. Basically, in summary, that means the yellow scenario is short-term bullish. It allows still for an interpretation that a low has formed on the 20th of December. The micro support area, which I've just added, it's located between 4.1 cents and 4.5 cents. That means as long as we're holding above 4.1 cents, the yellow scenario has a chance, but needs to be further confirmed with a break above the 5.4 cent level. Any break below 4.1 cents will likely indicate that the white scenario is leading, shown as a WXY structure, which might take us to one more low to the 3.3 cent level. So overall, however, as long as we're holding 3.3 cents, the overall focus can be on higher prices without any confirmation that we formed a local low. It's just a potential at the moment. So that's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.